Hello class, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on when you're watching this, you could say good morning Joseph, or good afternoon Joseph, or good evening Joseph. So, welcome class. Today is our first class from home. As you know, we all have to stay at home for about 2 weeks to make sure everybody is very healthy. Okay, so let's begin. Today we're going to continue learning about materials. So let's begin with our opposites song about materials. You all remember from class, we sing it all the time. Are you ready? Okay. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposites, hard and soft. Opposites, stretchy, stiff. Opposites, shining tall. I know my opposites. Second line, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposites, rough and smooth. Opposites, bending, not bending. Opposites, absorbent, not absorbent. I know my opposites. Last line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Opposites, waterproof. Opposites, not waterproof. Opposites, transparent, opaque. I know my opposites. Very good, everyone. So we need to give ourselves a round of applause. Yay! And now it's time to do our activity that you have in your email. Now, today we're going to be doing some investigations, some experiments with 2 properties: waterproof and not waterproof. Could you repeat after me? Look at my mouth. Waterproof. Wa. Not waterproof. Not waterproof. So, first step, let's look over here. The first object is wellies. We're going to find some wellies at home. Some water. This is just water I put in a bottle, a plastic bottle. We have some water. We have wellies. We have a rubber glove, as you can see here. We have a piece of paper, and we have a t-shirt. So, with those objects, we're also going to need a tray. Something that is hard and something that is waterproof to do the investigation. Wellies are boots we put on when it's raining. I have a question. Yes? What material are wellies made from? Very good. Wellies are made from rubber, which is kind of a form of plastic. Wellies are made of plastic. So let's take our pencil and let's write down here plastic. Rubber, R-U-B-B-E-R, or plastic. Good. Step 2, take our wellie. Step 3, take our water. Step 4, let's see if it's waterproof. Ready? Begin. Huh. I have a question. Yes. Is it waterproof? Does the water go through the material? What do you think? It is waterproof. The water does not go through the welly. So take your pencil and let's begin. Under waterproof, we're going to put a check. And under not waterproof, we're going to put an X. Very good. Now it's time for object number 2. T-shirt. This really is a tank top, but we're going to use it anyways. Test number 2, water. Test number 2, T-shirt. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Oh, I think it's happening. Let's see. Was it waterproof? I don't think it was waterproof. I'll show you again. I'll do a fold so you can see how the investigation went. Is it waterproof? Oh. The water went through the material and onto the ground, which means is the t-shirt is going to be waterproof or not waterproof. If the water went through the material is not waterproof. So, for t-shirt, we put an X on waterproof and a check on not waterproof. Now, I forgot to do something for t-shirt. What's missing? The material. Very good. Let's review our materials. You remember the song? The song is called Name That Material. Do you remember? Let's remember the materials with our song. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I see wood, I see plastic, I see metal, I see glass, I see water, I see rock. Name that material. I see wood, I see plastic, I see metal, I see glass, I see water, I see rock. Name that material. Very good, round of applause. Yay. My daughter came in to say hi, so that's why I was looking down at her. But we're going to continue with our lesson because the t-shirt is made of fabric, which is a new material that we didn't see in the song. The t-shirt is made of fabric.
Hey, Daddy, but this is my board.
It is your board. Daddy's using it to teach his class from home. Could you go play with Mommy so Daddy can keep teaching his class? Thank you. Bye-bye, Maya.
I told you Daddy was teaching.
So, t-shirt is made of fabric. Fabric could be made of polyester, cotton. I have a t-shirt that's made of cotton. So, t-shirt is fabric. And cotton fabric is not waterproof. Let's go on to object number 3. Are you ready? Let's go. Object number 3 is paper. Now, what material is paper made out of? It's kind of in the word. Paper? Exactly. It's made out of paper. Paper. And paper comes from trees, which is Wood, very good. Paper comes from trees and is made of a wood, very, 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 very tiny, that's mixed up with water and pressed to make paper. And let's do our experiment. Are you ready? Let's go. Take my wet t-shirt and put it aside. And I'm going to do the same thing I did with the t-shirt so that I can see how it works. I'm going to fold it once. And I'm going to fold it again. And now this is a little rectangle. And so that you get this little cone down here to see if it's waterproof. This one may take a little bit longer. Let's see if it's waterproof. Let's see. Well, it's kind of waterproof for a little bit. I don't see any water coming through. But this paper, I see what's happening. Look, it's getting wet. I see the water coming through. I see the what? I just see the water coming through. It's getting wet right now. I'm seeing the first drop coming through. Here comes the first drop. Oh, it's not waterproof. The paper isn't waterproof, but you know that. So, is paper waterproof? No, it's not waterproof. Is paper not waterproof? Correct. Paper is not waterproof. Now it's time for object number 4, rubber gloves. So, let's use process of deduction and association. Let's compare and contrast. I have rubber gloves and I have rubber wellies. What material is rubber glove made of? A rubber glove is made of, it's in the name, rubber, or they can also be made of plastic. Now, I'm going to take the rubber glove and I'm going to take the water and I'm going to see what happens. Is the rubber glove waterproof or not waterproof? Now remember, the rubber glove is used for washing things so that your hands don't touch things like soap, hot water, or bleach. Let's see. So it repels the water. Doesn't look like it's absorbing anything, which means our rubber glove is waterproof. Very good, very good. Our rubber glove is waterproof. So I'm going to get my stand out of the way. My stand I'm going to put on the ground and my tray. And now we're going to finish the last line.
Daddy.
Yes, Maya. And now it's going to be, oh, pardon me, I made a mistake. I got distracted. Now it's waterproof. And the rubber glove, it's not waterproof. It is waterproof. So let's review. We have this part of our worksheet, which is materials. Wellies are made of rubber, plastic, and they are waterproof. A t-shirt is made of cotton fabric, which is not waterproof. Paper is made of paper, and it's not waterproof. And rubber gloves are made of rubber or plastic, and they are waterproof. Now it's time for the second part. Down there on your worksheet, look down there. Now we're going to go through two concepts, transparent and opaque.